Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Christina, and I'm very excited to see you here again. In my previous video, I gave you a sneak peek into the residence and its facilities, shared nitty-gritty details such as an average rental cost and utility bills, electricity and water bill. But today, I'm going to take you on the grandest tour of our cozy, humble apartment that we call Home Sweet Home. I'll show you every corner, and I've been getting questions from you. How much do we pay for this unit? And I will reveal the biggest mystery and spill the beans. On the top of that, I will share the secrets how to rent an apartment and get a good deal in this area and in Malaysia in general. Let's get started. Our door opens with a passcode, key card and old-fashioned key, and don't worry, only residents of the floor can access it. So it's like Fort Knox in here. Ta-da! Welcome to the heart of our apartment. It's spacious airy zone designed for relaxation, sort of merged with the kitchen, and I'll show you later. But I want to show these big panoramic windows. I'm living for thunderstorms to watch it on rainy days. In Malaysia, it rains a lot, and many people don't like it, but I do love it a lot. This is our modern clean kitchen. When we moved in, we did buy some appliances, but this place came pretty well equipped. See that painting on the wall? It's not exactly our style, but here's a twist. Our rental agreement says damaging it will cost us a fortune, so we adopted it as a part of the family. We're on our best behavior around it. Kitchen is just a dream. It's got everything, appliances, plenty of space, but a dishwasher. But who needs a machine when you've got two trusty things called hands, right? Now about the gadget on the wall. It's like an intercom, but slightly different because you can call a lift from your place, no more waiting. And the function grandma would appreciate. Here is a kicker. You can channel your inner spy by checking out the cameras, gossip with the lobby, and activate the secret agent alarm function in case of any shenanigans. I bet my granny would love it. Both of our rooms have got AC because honestly, in the morning it's insanely hot. We've got washing machine with a drying function, but the drying takes so much time like a snail in marathon. And we're talking about 2 solid hours, and guess what? After all that waiting, the clothes come out feeling like they've just taken a dip in the rain. I've told you about the panoramic windows but haven't shown them, so here they are. This is a view from our window. You can see that almost every building there has a swimming pool. We live very high on the 33rd floor, and at night the view is magnificent. Yeah, but there is a disadvantage, obviously. It's really hot in the morning. Here we have a cute little balcony which mostly serves as our storage nook thanks to trusty AC inside, but you know, sometimes I turn into a mini clothesline, giving my clothes a taste of the great outdoors. I actually finish the job of our drying machine. It's a great spot to store some stuff. Now this is for transportation. The future PlayStation has been purchased, and let me tell you, you'll have the most magic time with the Hogwarts Legacy game because it's absolutely worth it. The final spin around the living area, and we move to the bedroom. This is our bedroom. It's separated from the living room, giving us the perfect spot for privacy and work. And William was kind enough to give me the side of the bed for my beauty essentials, teacups and books. And we also got AC, a big bed, a desk and a built-in wardrobe. The bedroom has got a sufficient amount of space. In the bedroom, we've got similar panoramic windows with a wonderful view on the city. On a good day, we can see mountains and Batu caves in the distance. And I love practicing yoga here in the evening, looking at the city lights. Let me show you my workspace. This table used to be hidden in a dark corner like in Batman's cave, but I brought it here and created this cozy girlish area. In the residence we've got co-working zone, but I love my little safe haven. Last stop, the bathroom. This is the bathroom and you have to turn on the boiler to preheat the water, which is not very convenient, but it's not a big deal. My only worry is that I'll forget to turn it off and we will end up with an electrifying surprise. What I like here is that the bathroom is spacious, functional and modern. The puzzle is in a contemporary style. That wraps up our bedroom tour, and don't mind the paper castle. I hope you enjoyed getting a glimpse into our little sanctuary. And now when we finished our tour, I hope you liked it. I'm ready to share some useful tips and advice how to find a good deal in Kuala Lumpur. When we moved to KL in February 2023, the average price was $750 per month, and we offered the landlord to pay in advance for 3 months and get a discount of $100, so we pay $650 per month. A landlord is entitled legally to get a deposit for 2 months, so on the top of that we paid $1,500 plus deposit if something damaged, and utility deposit of $278 in case of unpaid bills. It will be returned at the end of our tenancy. So in Kuala Lumpur, the policy of renting is not as simple as it seems, and you cannot just go to the website and find someone and negotiate. You have to contact a real estate agency. You need to fill in the form with nationality, race, occupation, and show the visa that you stay for a long term. I recommend you to find several buildings you like and contact agencies to show options available in this building. Remember that each agency has got its service fee and they are different. You find the one that is cheaper and better for you, obviously. And remember that sometimes the options you see on the website are just basic demo version. It's not real. The price is also not real. They put it lower so to attract more customers. When you message already an agent, they give you a price a bit higher, preferring that was an old deal. But mainly all the apartments are in the same style, have got the same set, and price varies not a lot, but just keep it in mind. I hope my video was useful for you and you enjoyed the tour. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you so much. Bye.